Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and placing code where Apache can reach it. Install Xampp, enable Apache and MySQL, then install Python 3. X and pip and ensure Python is on your path. Next, move your Python project into Xampp/htdocs or set a virtual host to point to your project folder. Once done, make sure required Python packages are installed with pip install R requirements (txd) so the server-side code can run when Apache forwards requests. Now you configure Apache to execute your Python code and explain why each choice matters. Use mod WSGI for persistent WSGI apps like Flask/Django because it improves performance. Use CGI for simple scripts. Create a WSGI or CGI wrapper that imports your app and exposes application callable, then set file permissions so Apache can read and execute it. Edit HTTPD conf or your virtual host to load mod WSGI, map the script alias, and restart. Finish by restarting Apache and testing endpoints in a browser or with curl. You should see your app response if routing and WSGI are correct. If something fails, check Apache error log and your Python tracebacks to locate the error, because logs reveal missing modules or permission denials. Make sure virtualenv is activated in the WSGI script or that Python path and path point to the correct interpreter, and adjust file permissions. One key tip: enable verbose logging temporarily to capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.